Hi, welcome to this mini course. In this course, we're going to be learning how to create a Python calculator. So this is going to be a 4-function calculator that allows you to type out commands, and it will then parse these commands and return a final answer. So let's get started, and I'll show you what I mean. Instead of having a list of options you can use and operations that you can do, you can actually type out exactly what you want to do. So if I run the program, right here, if I run the program, what's going to happen is first it's going to print out some instructions. There we go. So give some instructions on how to print it and the possible operations that we can use. And then we can work on some of the operations that we want to run. So for example, let's say I wanted to add 2 numbers. So I'm going to say add 50, 50. Once I click enter, this will return 100. There's also a ask again feature if you wanted to run another command. So for example, I can type yes, and it will bring me back to this screen. However, you can actually add more than 2 numbers. You don't just have to stick with these 2. For example, if I wanted to add a sequence of numbers, so if I wanted to add 1, 2, 3, and 4, this would return the correct answer. You can see 1 plus 2 is 3, 3 plus 3 is 6, and 6 plus 4 is 10, and it returns 10. It works just the same with any of the other operations. So for example, I can type multiply, I can go 3, 4, and 3, and this is going to return 36. 3 times 4 is 12, and 12 times 3 is 36. So this is kind of the essence of what we're going to do in this calculator. We're going to write all of it from scratch, not using any external libraries or help, and I'm going to be teaching you all of the different features that you're going to need to create this. So things like functions, modules, inputs, prints, all of that we're going to be learning in this mini series. Alright, let's get started.